Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, we're here at the motorhome again today, up in storage, still wintertime. But the good news is spring is right around the corner and we might get to go camping. But today I want to focus on this. This one over here. And all this peeling down below, peeling here. If you've got a camper or an RV that's, I don't know, 10 or 15 years old, you've seen this problem. When they make RV furniture, they make it out of the cheapest possible materials they can. And that vinyl that they use, doesn't matter what you do to try to take care of it, it's going to peel. So a couple things you can do, in my opinion. A couple of them are really expensive and one of them's kind of cheap. One, you can just rip out the furniture and replace it. And you can see here, these theater seats, that's what we did. Now the seats weren't just peeling, they were also broken, didn't recline. They had all kinds of issues. So we just pulled them out and replaced it with these. And you can see that we went with cloth because I don't trust vinyl in RV furniture. We do like those theater seats though. They're very comfortable. We got those from Rec Pro. Good furniture. We really like them. But it was kind of expensive. The other option is to reupholster this furniture. And that's actually what we were thinking about doing with these captain's chairs. Last fall, I was actually talking to an upholstery shop here nearby and got some pricing on reupholstering these. It was going to be about $1,000 a piece. And so we actually were planning on doing that over the winter. It would have taken a couple of months for them to get them done. And so that was actually our plan. But unfortunately, winter kind of came and went, and we didn't have $2,000 laying around to spend on reupholstery. So here we are in the spring, which brings me to the third option that you could do. Seat covers. So I ordered these on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. Here's a picture of the listing from Amazon. And I'm going to try to put these on. Now, I didn't measure. I didn't do anything. I just looked on Amazon, scrolling online, and clicked buy. Impulse purchase. Amazon's easy return policy encourages that behavior. But I'm gonna try to put these on and see how they fit. So you get to watch. Let's do this. So again, I just bought these off of Amazon. There's one sheet of paper with a couple of little simple instructions. Looks like they're pretty easy to install. So let's do this. Let's start with seat back. Oh, by the way, I will point out it has these sort of PVC or plastic tubes on elastic straps, and those actually go in between the back and the cushion. So that's going to help keep it into the fold there. So let's do this. Well, what do you think? $75 for the pair. They're not as easy to put on as you would like. And I'm guessing, I don't think I got it on really as well as it should be, but they seem to fit. That's the good news. Not as easy as you would think. They seem kind of comfortable. They hide the peeling, but frankly, it looks like you got slip covers over your chairs, so not the most elegant solution. Hopefully, if we leave them on and let them kind of stretch and conform a little bit, they'll fit a little better. So we'll see. What do you think? Let me know. Do you have a peeling problem? And if so, what's your solution? Have you tried slip covers? Which ones have you tried? Do you like them? I would love to hear down in the comments your thoughts. And what do you think of these? I wasn't sure about the black, but the center tan color actually kind of matches the motorhome, so I'm okay with that. So there we go. Tell me down in the comments what you think, and we'll see you out on the road. Take care.